Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Docs in Drive. If you want to upload your Google Docs in the InDrive app, this video is for you. Find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to share. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the option of 3 dot lines at the top right corner. Simply select it. Then here you can find the option of share and export. Go ahead and tap on it. Then here you can find the send a copy option. Now tap on that button. After few seconds, here you can find a different kind of apps that you can share. Scroll to your right and here you can find the Drive option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on to the upload button right here. Like this, your document will be shared to the Google Drive app. And that's it. This is how you can share your documents in Drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.